Here's what they say about the butler. Our butler in the foreground shown as Thomas Murray well was known, he who does nigh centre stand with bottle clasp within his hand. Clever was he at drawing cork, and a good hand at knife and fork. And I really like this one about the lady's maid. They don't seem to like her so much. Nearby our butler, Mrs. Hale, of whom our memories much do fail. As lady's maid she sojourned here, black was her dress, her face austere. And whence she did for Brighton leave, no one here a sigh did heave. Oh dear. The photograph and the poem give us a revealing glimpse into life below stairs. They hint at the tension between the staff themselves, whose lives were governed by a strict hierarchy. In houses like Erddig, the butler was at the top of the pile, overseeing the coachman and footman. He was in overall charge of the house.
Austere. Austere. Austere.